So we are stopping at Bass Pro Shops. I used to work there a long time ago as a graphic artist. Go ahead.
Hi guys! So now we are in the Bass
Pro
shop. So outdoor world for boat shop. So this is the boat shop. Fish company restaurant too.
Go catch the storm within your broken bones and be wild, 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 wild,
Hi guys! So we are here now inside of the Bass Pro shop, and guess what is this guys? It's so pretty inside, and like it's museum. Look at this fountain, and then it's aquarium guys, and it's so pretty. Down there, it's a swordfish. Look at the swordfish. Look at the bear. It's so pretty. Take a picture. Hi guys. So now we are here in the boat section. It's a power boat, and there's a different kinds of. Oh, I like those there. That's so big, like a houseboat. And so this is like two. So how much that? Oh my God! I love the boat. The price I don't like. Look at this guy. It's like almost house. Almost look like guys. You see? It's too expensive, guys.
Okay, so here is what it looks like from this angle, cleaning the boat. This is how dirty? Dirty. So yes, our boat was called the Vagabonda, and we are going to rename it Wylde, thus sailing wild. But more on that later. Here's the before. Here's what it looks afterwards. Here's the after. So much nicer. I don't know how long this dinghy will hold up. Doesn't hold air very well. But at least now it's a lot cleaner. And so's the boat. It's amazing. If you hadn't seen it before, you wouldn't realize how white this is. Even with dirty spots like that, the paint's gonna have to come up before that comes up. It's amazingly better. So now we have a clean boat on all sides. Oh, I'm not sure you all can tell based on what you're seeing right now, but I mean that's gleaming white compared to the way she used to be. And I am such a happy man to see it. I mean, even the dinghy, I didn't get the one end on the right. Couldn't reach it from where I was. And I was just too exhausted. But it's just so much nicer. So clean white and green on the inside.
For now, by this point,
Beautiful.
after our trip
Green.
to get to Merritt Island, I need to do the boat all over again.
But it's working.
It's working.
You're working with that. You're learning. Oh, it's removed your, what is that, baby? Yeah, you arrived.
After getting both the dinghy and Wylde clean, I worked on getting the dinghy to be able to run.
Quickly, Justin, before it's gonna stop. So they're going to now, they're figure out now to the dinghy to what is that? Baby, speak before it's gonna die.
Okay, come on.
So they figure out now. They're going with the dinghy. Yay! Let's go! Bring fish. Be careful, the alligator there. You're happy, baby, that you figure out?
Yeah.
Woo! Good job. If I'm going with you all there, it's gonna be. How about you go there? Only there. Go to the blue boat.
Well, you scared me, Daddy. What did you do?
Slowly.
Thank you. I was
Drop the GoPro.
they're here again. They're doing practice. So that's their first time to practice dingy. These look like power boats. Look, there's a power boat coming. There's a power boat. You go there so they know that you're learning there. They can see you. Go in there, in the blue boat.
So you saw where we bought life jackets, but at Bass Pro we also bought Justin some fishing equipment.
Okay, almost. I see it. Right there.
Here he catches his first fish. It was a 2-foot catfish. Unfortunately, the pictures I had of that went into the water along with my iPhone.
It's really heavy. Oh, I got it. It's a catfish.
We're all adjusting to boat life. Ran is doing very well. The rocking motion of the boat helps him to sleep, as well as his daddy. Mama is enjoying the boat too. She likes exercising on the deck, doing karaoke, doing TikTok, and just showing off.
Everything and say, good morning, sunshine.
We have this.
Can't
That's my
see.
sunshine.
Can see. See, Brandon?
The sailing community is really interesting. Lots of people helping us out, learning lots of useful information, and lots of questionable stories around the campfire at night.
It makes me feel all greasy.
Don't it though?
Birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to Justin. Happy birthday to Michael. How about you?
Oh, now we got lighted to get something blowed out.
Okay, I'll go with this time. Monkey.
Okay, quick.
Go quick.
There's always birthdays or anniversaries or something going on. But, of course, we always go back to our most fun, the beach.
It's been a long, hard season. I'm feeling weary to my bones. I guess that's my reason. I've packed my bags and now I'm gone. Somewhere between the sun and the deep blue sea, that's where you find me. Tender red, flat out on a beach bed. That's where you find me. Working on my fishing skills in a little boat that I'll rent. Ain't got nothing but time to kill. No vacation's been more heaven sent. Somewhere between the sun and the deep blue sea.